of this is kind of for both cultures, if you will, to grow the language and to get those terms that we're using nowadays in the language.
And then you could say, it stops right now.
Yeah.
So you really have to be careful how you put those together.
Yeah.
The key thing is to work with people in communities who speak their language to develop energy-related terminology.
Because I heard my parents say, "Kay takay." Yeah, like for gas.
Drink.
Yeah, that one too.
Wow.
Or we just found one for gas, but that's a gas that you use and use and
Yeah. Well, the intention is to develop a workbook that can be used in schools and distributed. So that can be a tool for younger people or people interested in learning their language.
That crisis and
I think it's gone pretty well. It feels good. I think there was laughter, a lot of engagement. People did a lot of work searching back for different terms that work, some from the past, some in the present, and just a really great group, a lot of good energy and commitment to the process, so very grateful for that.
I don't think life got anything to do with it. It's some kind of word that, it keeps going and you make it new again.
Yeah.
And it's
Yes.
like,
Exactly, it's that cycle.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got nothing to do with life.
Okay.
I want to let you know that. But we're going to find word for it.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just gotta write it just how we hear it right now, and then as we learn language, then we start adopting all these little changes and stuff like that.
And it just changes when the subject object changes, that changes.
Yeah, and then also the word that follows and precedes it, right? Precedes and proceeds.
So Arctic Energy Alliance, its focus is related to energy conservation, energy efficiency, and renewable energy. So this is a way to bring information, share information back and forth, and to help grow and strengthen the languages in the North.